Hey, it's Paul with Rack Attack, and this is a comparison between the Yakima SightLine base roof rack system and the Yakima SightLine FX base roof rack system. Both of these systems are designed for approved vehicles with factory installed flush side rails, and both of these systems will require a vehicle specific pad and clip set made for the SightLine systems. So the pad and clip set will include 4 of these contoured rubber bases, which will rest directly on the top of the flush side rail, and 4 sets of these rubberized metal clips, which will grip to the edges of the flush side rail. Now let's just take a moment to show how these parts will be assembled. Okay, so whichever system you choose, the SightLine base roof rack system or the SightLine FX base roof rack system, they both will require the SightLine pad and clip set, which is specific to the individual vehicle. And to determine that, you would simply go to rackattack.com and use our fit guide, and that will tell you exactly which kit is made for your vehicle. To install it, you first just remove the outer cover. It would be the same method on the FX system or the SightLine system. You just squeeze the sides and pull outward on the cover. Now, under the cover, you do have the locking cover, which must be removed with a slotted screwdriver. Just turn that slotted screwdriver to swing away this cover. And now the first step would be to install the base pad, and on the underside are 2 prongs which you would connect and press that into place. Then you have your inner and outer clip set. So you would first swing away the retention clip and then insert the clip to the hanger and then put the retention clip back in place for the front. And then for the back side, same method. You have the clip and the retention wire. That inserts, retention wire goes back into place. Now, Yakima will include this tool, which is used to properly tighten the tower to the side rail. This tool has an integrated torque indicator, so it'll click to tell you exactly when you've reached the maximum torque. Now, once you're there, you can go ahead and reinstall your cover by anchoring it on one side and swinging it to the other side, and then turning the plastic knob to engage that cover. Now, you do have the option to replace this plastic plug with a Yakima lock cylinder. These Yakima lock cores are sold separately in matched sets so that all 4 of your covers can be key matched and locked, as well as key matched to other SKS compatible accessories and carriers that you purchase or may have. Now finally, you would just take the cover and align the bottom holes, and it will click into place. And that is the method of attachment for the sight clips and pad set. Now we'll take a close-up look at the 2 different systems so we can point out the key differences. So with the SightLine tower, it can accommodate a variety of different Yakima crossbars. Here we're featuring the aerodynamic Jetstream load bar in black. It's also available in silver. Now, this same tower can also accommodate the Yakima core bar and the Yakima round bar and even the Yakima HD bar. And those bars are all available in various lengths to accommodate your gear widthwise. Now, also a key thing that you'll notice here is that you have the bar that extends out and beyond the position of the tower. That way you do have more carrying surface on the load bar compared to the SightLine FX. Now let's have a look at the SightLine FX up close. And now with this design, you have the flush-ended styling for the best possible aerodynamics. You'll also have the shortest bar length. Now this bar is based on Yakima's Jetstream load bar for the best possible aerodynamics. It is available in this black color, and there are no other bar options offered. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Yakima SightLine base roof rack systems. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. If you have any questions or comments on these two systems, feel free to leave those in the comments section below. Be sure to visit our site where we do have a fit guide where you can confirm which of these systems will work on your vehicle. Now, if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.